Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I do this at-home steam treatment. To get started, I am filling my steamer up with water. I'm gonna fill it to the max fill line to make sure that I have enough water for the entire process. I'm then going to attach the hose back on there and I'm going to turn it on in about 3 to 5 minutes. It is boiling and the steam is coming out. To get that thick steam that you're going to see in the video, I'm going to turn on the ozone steam. This is going to produce the heaviest steam possible. Now I'm going to get started washing my hair, and I'm using two different shampoos. The first shampoo that I'm using is by Joico, and it is a repairing shampoo. Then I'm going to go in with the hydrating shampoo by Joico. I'm going to list the steamer that I'm using as well as the shampoos and conditioners in the description box if you're interested in checking them out. Before I go in and shampoo my hair, I'm just making sure to get it really drenched and saturated with water. This is going to make the shampoo process easier and also make it so that I use less shampoo. I'm also wearing gloves today because I have on acrylic nails and sometimes my hair gets trapped and snagged under my nails, and I don't want to cause any unnecessary breakage. So I find that this helps just help my hair glide more seamlessly across my nails. I wanted to try this steam treatment really at first because I was intrigued and I would see high-end salons using a steamer at the shampoo bowl and using steam treatments for conditioners when they do their clients' hair. So I did some additional research and found that there's actually a lot of benefits to steaming. One of the benefits to steaming, especially when you're washing your hair, is that the steam helps to open up the pores on your scalp so that you can get a better clean and lift up additional dirt and debris off of your scalp. And you know that scalp health is very important when trying to get long and luxurious hair, which is one of my hair goals for 2025. So steaming is definitely going to help with that. Steaming also helps to open up your hair cuticle, which is good to help the products that we use, like conditioners, penetrate more easily into the hair shaft and get the maximum results. Using a hair steamer is something that you can do once a week to enhance your hair washing and conditioning experience. And this is something that I'm gonna try out every other week at first, just to try it and see how my hair responds. Steam is a form of heat, so I don't want to overuse it, but so far I've really enjoyed the results. And I want you to tell me if you can notice the results or difference in my hair after using this steam treatment. This is actually a facial steamer that I'm using. I did purchase it from Amazon and it was really affordable. It was about $39. And I like the facial steamer because I can set it up this way when I wash my hair. And I'm gonna show you how I use it to condition my hair in a few minutes as well once I finish with this second shampoo. But I really like it and it's very compact and easy to store away. And they actually do make a different type of steamer that is specifically for your hair that looks more like a hooded dryer that I may purchase later on. I just like this one because it is very convenient and I can use it to wash my hair as well. Let me know what you think, or if you will consider purchasing this and including this as part of your hair care staple. Once I rinse all of the shampoo out, it's time for my conditioner. This is a repairing conditioner by Joico. Even though it's repairing, it's also really moisturizing, and I really enjoy using this conditioner. You're supposed to only leave this conditioner on for 1 minute, so I use this conditioner first, always before going in with my deep conditioner. And I'm just making sure that I apply a generous amount from root to tip. I like to start off in the back first and then take another pump and go through around the front and edges and sides. As you know, I'm really product heavy because I like to make sure I get product on all the strands of my hair to make sure that it's doing what I want it to do. And for my steam treatment with the conditioner, I'm just gonna work the conditioner in, massage my hair with the conditioner, and rotate my hair all around in that steam. And I did this for about 3 minutes just to make sure that, like I said, I'm getting my hair all in that steam and making sure the conditioner is really absorbed into my hair. This steamer made my wash day feel so relaxing and so luxurious. It really felt like I was taking care of myself and my hair, and I really enjoyed that. And my hair felt so good after. I cannot wait to show you guys what it looks like once I rinse this conditioner out and once it's time for me to detangle. I was so amazed and impressed. This is definitely a must have. This is what my hair looks like once I rinse the conditioner out and once I finish with my steam treatments. You cannot tell me that my hair does not look moisturized, that it does not look soft and supple, and that it is not detangling with ease. I am in love. And what the steam did for my hair is just make it very receptive so that my hair would feel so moisturized once I was done. Now that I finished with washing my hair and my first round of conditioner, I'm going in with my deep conditioner. I've been really loving the Soul Food conditioner by Amika, and I'm gonna apply a generous amount of this conditioner from root to tip, and I'm gonna sit under my hooded bonnet dryer for 20 to 30 minutes. This is just gonna give my hair that extra boost of moisture and vitamins and everything that my hair needs to prepare it from styling and make it resistant against breakage. And I love this conditioner. This is one of those conditioners that makes your hair feel just so moisturized, but it's not heavy, if that makes any sense. I've used conditioners before that make my hair feel moisturized, but my hair didn't really absorb them. So they left like a lot of residue and oil on my hair, and my hair was greasy when I went to style it. But no, not this conditioner. And today I have to use a Walmart bag because I ran out of my shower caps. But this is gonna do the trick for me today. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final results after I finish my conditioning session and styling my hair. So right now I'm finished with styling my hair, and my hair looks shiny. It feels soft, and I've really been in love with my hair lately. A lot of you guys have asked me what is it that I'm doing. I think it's just a combination of all the things that I'm doing. But let me know if you notice the difference. Let me know if you'll be trying this steamer. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.